It's a carpet cat. Well, it seemed to have gone, but before it was messing with the carpet. Carpet cat is afraid. And watch me swallow the cat. Nope, never mind, it got out. Tactical cat incoming. Ooh. Look at it. Tactical cat incoming. I think my hand is its replacement for its brother. Since it's staying over at the hospital for the night. Ow! What are you doing to my hand? If you hear it close enough, it's purring. Tactical cat incoming, Mom.
Like a puppy. No, yes, no.
Yeah. Can you hear the purrs now? How do they purr?
I don't know.
Oh no, my water! Excuse me, sir. Seems to want my water. I want to see it try and jump for the water, but at the same time I don't. So I'm gonna drink it. No. What happens if I put it at the table? And then I take the oh so innocent cat, put it right there. And what happens? Will it knock over the cup? Will it try? Will it stand there? Or will it just climb down? It'll just climb down. Kitty! Shotzi! Shotzi! Shots! Hey! Shotzi! You're not allowed to climb on the plants.
Shotzi cat.
Shotzi cat. Beautiful cat. Looks like it's going to the other room now. Nope, it's right back to the carpet where it started. And where it ends.